Hello there. I'm going to do another reverse dip today because I enjoy doing them. I enjoyed my last one, and I want to do some more experimenting in future videos, but I just needed some time to do what I know how to do pretty well. So in today's one I have blocked off the edges. I've got 3 bottle bottoms and I've got poster putty in the corners of 2 of the bottoms. I've blocked off 2 of the slots on each one, just so that the paint comes in this way rather than going over the edge. And I'm going to pour my colours across them and then put a piece of plastic wrap across that, the same as I did in my last video, and lift it and then tilt. My colours today are antique gold, red, pale pink and white, and I will start pouring my colours now. Right, that will do for the colours now. I'm going to lift each one of these bottle bottoms and remove it from the canvas. Okay, now to pop some colour in and around the black centres of each one of these. Okay, that's looking pretty good. A few bubbles here because a couple of the colours I made up this morning rather than yesterday, but that's fine. Get rid of all the bubbles in it. There has been no silicone added to any of these paints, so the little dots you see will be solely from the air bubbles. And now I'm going to use my stick to do a little bit of embellishment. Okay, time for me to put the plastic wrap over. I will just drop it down and hope. Excellent, except for one patch right there. Drop that back down again. There we go. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Because I find the plastic wrap is a lot more difficult to put down onto the paint than what a table napkin is. And so, but I do like the plastic wrap because it does give a different sort of blurriness to the paint than what the table napkin does. And sometimes the plastic wrap doesn't take quite as much paint off the canvas as what the table napkin does too. So I know I'm going to lose quite a bit of the black. I've got extra black here to put on before I start to tilt. I think that will do pretty much now. It's looking good, so I'm now going to lift it off. I'll just get something to put it onto. The same way that I did last time, I'm going to lift it from one side to the other, meeting in the middle of course. I'll get the hang of this one day. I have to learn how to stretch it out and separately in my fingers while I'm holding it and stretch it. Oops, that does not want to come up. And pull. Oh dear, that was not a good start, but never mind. Bring it up this way, give it a bit of a twist and lift. Oh, how pretty. Oh, what pretty colours those are together. That's really nice. I've got some tiny little cells coming through from the, I'm assuming, from the metallic gold. That is lovely, and I am going to put some more black paint onto the canvas. As you can see, a lot of the black paint has lifted off, and I will add some more black paint and then start to tilt. Well, I have decided not to do any more tilting than that, as I absolutely adore those colours and I think that's a really pretty pattern. I don't think I could really call it a flower, but I would like to call it blossoms, because there's just enough gold to make it interesting. The red is the really vibrant colour. Just leaving the white to the middle was a really good idea. And of course the pink just blends through it, and on the black background it just stands out. I'm very happy with that. Another successful painting for me, even with the scalloped type edges and little cells caused by, I believe, the metallic paint. Okay, so just to round off my video, it is now 2 days since I did this pour, and it has dried differently, or started to dry differently to what I expected. The red has started forming what are called Dendrite Fractals. I'm not sure how well you can see them. I'm going to do some still shots as well to show you, but they've formed around the edges and made really, really pretty patterns on the canvas, and I'm quite fascinated by them, so I thought I would just show you that, and maybe somebody out there knows why that happened. Well, that's it for me for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.